Why are you not getting things done effectively and efficiently in your business? You are not focusing and concentrating on a single task single-handedly, but you are juggling all things at the same time, which will distract you on not being fully productive to get the results that you need, that you desire, that you deserve in your business. So let's dive right into it. Joshua, what are you talking about? I'm talking about you must focus on one task so that you are more productive to get the results that you need. So number one, pick one task. Number two, set a timer for 25 minutes. Go all in, massive action. Number three, go all in, no distractions allowed. Four, reward yourself with a mini break or a snack. We won't judge. Pro tip, your brain loves rewards. So reward yourself. Pair your sprints with something fun, coffee, TikTok, or a walk, just to refreshen your memory so that you can get back to your 25 minutes of super laser focused, high productive task. Evolving in peace, power, and purpose to the one quality, doing the work. Healing, evolving, showing up when it's hard. That is what I love. Show up when it's hard. That's what I do. I show up when it's hard. That's what leaders do. Not showing up when everything is sunny roses and good in your life. No. You have to show up with productive tasks when it's hard. Follow this principle and you won't go wrong. Thank you and you're welcome.